Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we'll show you how to use breakdown feature in Facebook ads and how we can analyze Facebook ads data using the breakdown feature. Okay, so without any further delay, let's jump on the screen. So you can see over here, we'll be analyzing this campaign data. So this is actually a landing page view campaign. Okay, so if I go to the ad set, then you can see over here, I have created only one ad set for this campaign. And if I go to the ad section, then you can see over here, previously I was created uh, 4 ads, and on the basis of performance, I have kept this one running and I have posted these 3 ads because you can see the results. This ad has got 289 landing page views, whereas this one has got one, and this one has also got one. Okay, so that's why I have posted the other 3 ads and keep this one running. So let's see the breakdown feature and how we can analyze the data and take data-driven decision for our campaign. So I'm gonna go to the breakdown section, and then I will first of all break down it using age. Okay, so I'm gonna select age, and you can see over here the is voice data. Okay, so 18 to 24, no landing page views. 25 to 34, only 5 landing page views. Then if I scroll down, 35 to 44, 16 landing page view. 45 to 54, 37, 55 to 64, 71, and 65 plus 160. So what you are seeing over here, so 18 to 24 is not performing well. So if you go to your ads, and you can exclude, or you can start your age range from 25 to 65 plus, because 18 to 24 is not giving you the performance, is not giving you the results. So you can take the decision based on the data. Okay, and if you want, you can also exclude 25 to 34, because it has got only 5 landing page views, whereas from 35 to 65 plus it is performing really very well. So what I'll be basically doing in the next campaign, because this is I'm running middle of the funnel campaign for this business. Okay, so we are generating landing page views, then we are gonna be going to the catalog sales ads, and yeah, with the catalogs we can run collection ads and carousel ads. Okay, and in the next campaign, I'm gonna exclude the age range from 18 to 34, because these two are not performing well. So yeah, in the next campaign, I'm gonna target age range from 35 to 65 plus. Okay, so yeah, this is how we can take data-driven decision using the breakdown features. So let's see how we can use other different features. Okay, so this one for is, let's see the platform and devices. So I'm gonna click on this one. So we'll be seeing the platforms. Okay, so Facebook device, Android smartphone 169, then device Android tablet only to Facebook device, iPad. Let's see the performance. iPad 16, Facebook device iPhone 95. So what you can do, if you want to exclude certain devices like device iPod, other Android smartphone for Instagram, then you can do it from the placement section. Okay, perfect. So let's see other features like country. So if I sort it by country, because for this business I'm running ads for USA and UK, so you can see UK has only generated 31 page views, landing page views, whereas USA has got 258 landing page views. So Yeah, you can see the data, and USA is outperforming UK. So maybe in the next campaign, I can only target USA because this one is giving us better results. Perfect. Then what else we can see? We can see the platform. Okay. So if I sort it by platform, then you can see Facebook out of 289 landing page views, we are getting 285 from Facebook. So what you can do, you can exclude Instagram as well because it is not giving you the better performance. So maybe in the next campaign, you can only target Facebook. Okay. So yeah, you're making decision using the data. Okay. Then let's go to the demographics. So let's select the gender. So if I go to demographic and we have the section called gender. Okay. So female is only performing well because I have excluded men, and I was using female in my ads as the gender targeting. That's why it is showing all the page views are from female. Okay. Perfect. Then let's go to the demographic and see what we have. Geographic, delivery, action, dynamic call to action. So if you use dynamic content, then you could have seen the text, description, call to actions. Okay. So yeah, this is how you can use the breakdown feature. And yeah, if you see the placement, you can also do this. So let's select the placement. Okay. You can see over here, uh, Facebook Reels and Facebook feed is really performing well. So what you can do, you can deselect Facebook feed for mobile devices. You can deselect search result. You can deselect Instagram feed. You can deselect Instagram Explore. Okay, in the placement section because you will be using the best performing assets. Whether it is placements or age, genders, you know, countries, platforms. So you need to choose the best performing one. So yeah, this is how you can use the features called breakdown, in Facebook ads and make data-driven decision. So hopefully this video will help you to take the data-driven decision for your Facebook ads campaign. Okay, so if you like the video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.